So the first type of a stack is what I call a press release silo. It's a very simple vertical structure. Generally, you're looking at 4 to 6 releases in a given stack. You can go higher than that, you can go lower than that, but we see 4 to 6 working really well, and then moving on to a new stack. Your base release here, the dark blue, it's going to link to your target site, wherever it is on that target site. We'll talk about where to link to in a minute, but that base release is going to link to the target site. And then each stack release links to a previous release. So release 1 links to the base release. Release 2 links to the release 1, and then release 3 would go to release 2, and so on and so forth. So you end up with this silo where each, it's a flow down of link equity and authority all the way down through that base release to the target site. So you're getting some amplification there that way, and it's one of those things where when it's tightly thematic, this works really well. The next